What's up guys, this is Amazing Jack Tech 22 here, and in this video we are going to be doing the hiccup challenge. Something different, you probably heard of it. What you need to do is you need to get a cup of water, fill it like halfway full, like to right about here, like right about there, and then you just chug it in under a minute, and then you're supposed to get the hiccups. So I'm gonna try this. Comment in the comment section down below if you've done that, and then post it, and then make a video of it and post it on your channel. So yeah, so let's get into it. So yeah, all right, I have the timer here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that was 25 seconds. Wait. I'm starting to get the hiccups. No, I did not get the hiccups. That's good, because I did not want to get the hiccups. I hate getting the hiccups. It takes so long to get rid of. So, hope you enjoyed the challenge. You should do it. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for a possible sub back. Bye.